you put any default this thing, then you click on start building. You can skip. So now it says, you can see here, you already have 1,000 credit. So if you want to keep getting 1,000 credits, you create new account, and so on. So that's if you don't want to buy credit. So now, check to buy credit now, you can see billing here. Let's click on the API. I don't know why it's always taking time to load. I don't know why. I don't know what's always wrong. I've clicked API. Okay, then you click on create API key. You can put any alphabet. Me, I'm putting D. You can change this expression to the one D. Then click on create. So make sure now that you copy the API before you click OK. I've copied. Then I click OK. You can see the 1,000 credit now. You minimize your distance. You paste your API key. You click apply. You scroll down to reference image. You click your choose file. Then you look for the image you want to put. Okay, I think that's the image. Okay, let me put this one. We've added the image now. Then scroll up and click on start. So as you can see now, started now. Can you see now? So now for credit management. Top. Come to OBS. You open your OBS. Instead of you leaving it to run, then you now open OBS. You now set OBS. No, your face will just be burning. So once you confirm that the image is loading, you stop it. Then you open your OBS. I'm sorry, this laptop is slow. Says it already run. Okay. When you click start, let's click start again. Let's see now. You see that pop up. I already set it. But I'll explain to you. Now. I'll still explain to you how to set it. So if you want to set it now, you click Windows Capture. You click OK. You click on select window, you click electro. You want to capture pulse. So this straight line, you drag it. See it fits. Can you see? Perfect. Can you see? Lock it. So once you have your display now, you click on start virtual camera. Then you go to your Telegram, your Skype, your Zoom, your Signal. You go to the settings, then you change the camera settings to OBS virtual camera. Then you are good to go down as well. So as you can see now, let's run it again. So that is just that about that.